Hey all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share top 20 English phrases that you can use in your daily life. If you want to sound different in a crowd, then this video is for you. So let's begin. Top 20 English phrases in less than 5 minutes. Number 1. Leave no stone unturned. That means to make all possible efforts. Example, I will leave no stone unturned in solving this case. Number 2. Call off. Now this phrase is used when something planned has been cancelled. Instead of using word cancelled, we can use called off. Example, the meeting scheduled for tomorrow has been called off. Number 3. The cream of the crop. This phrase is used when something is the best of all. Example, we can say, this outfit is the cream of the crop. Number 4. Heart and soul. Now, this phrase is used when something has been done with full devotion. Example, if you will put your heart and soul, then you will make it. Next is speak your mind. That means to tell your true feelings. This can be used like when you need to say, you just need to speak your mind in front of him. Next, to bite the bullet. Now, to bite the bullet phrase is used when something has to be done which is very difficult. Now, for instance, we can say this, I will bite the bullet to make it successful. Next is I'm all ears. That means you have my attention, you should talk. The person is listening carefully. Example, the students in her class were all ears. Next is heads up. That means to warn someone. When we need to warn them, instead of saying this is a warning, we can say heads up. Instance, don't tell this to anyone. I've already gave you a heads up on this. Next is it's all Greek to me. When something is very difficult to understand, we can use this word. It's all Greek to me. For instance, don't try to make me understand the depth of this issue, as it's all Greek to me. Next, most of the times when we need to wish someone, we say good luck or best wishes. Instead of saying good luck or best wishes, we can use break a leg. Next is not in my books. That means not according to my books. I liked the meal. Did you? Not in my books. Next, tickled pink. This phrase is used when someone is extremely pleased or happy. For instance, I am tickled pink while listening this news. When you need to say someone to think over something, instead of saying think over it, you can use sleep on it. It's simple, just sleep on it. Next one is it's on me. That means I'll pay for it. Whenever you are going in a crowd or somewhere, instead of saying I'll pay for it, you can say it's on me. Next is so far so good. That means things are going well so far. If someone asks, hey, how are you doing? So far so good. Next is I'm not buying it. That means I don't believe it. When you get some news which is unbelievable, instead of saying unbelievable or I won't believe it, you can say I'm not buying it. The other phrase is gotch. That means when someone overcharges for the goods and services, we can use the word gotch. The other phrase is cut the comedy. Means stop joking or stop fooling around. Instead of saying stop kidding or stop joking, you can say cut the comedy. The next phrase is panic buying. Now this is the situation when people buy so many goods under a situation when they are panicked. Example, there has been lots of panic buying due to COVID-19. The last one is I'm up for it. When you are ready to do something, then you can say I'm up for it. Hey, are you ready to subscribe this channel? Yeah, I'm up for it. Hope these 20 phrases would be helpful for you. We'll be back soon with another knowledgeable video. Till then, bye-bye.